Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can write this. So in codes we need for user experience we all need a loader function like this. So today I'm going to show you how you can write this with only 3 or 4 lines of code. So let's begin. So let's create a new file. Name it as loading function, loading func.py. So for this function we are gonna use some delays and we are gonna print it the minus sign for nearly 100 times. So I'm gonna give it a name that initial print, because ignore my spelling mistakes. It's gonna be a string that has the minus sign in it. And so we need to have a loop. So I'm going to use the for loop for range 100. So you can do it in only like you can just print some app string loading the percentage. Okay, let's give it a name. Okay, for num in range of this, I actually prefer not writing anything. Num and percent, and we will end it with nothing. Because we want these two lines, and I'm going to have another print statement, and I want to have it in the same line. So I use this end command here so that we can have these two lines in the same line. Now you can do it in the same line. So it's the logic is that initial prints need to firstly go for 100 times. So obviously you need it for 100 times, and so for the first it loads the program and initial print gets printed 100 times. But if the number increases, you want this initial print to turn into something else. So we are gonna use hashes here. So I'm gonna concatenate hashes here. So let's do it. Concatenate hash here. So hash, and so we get a hash for the first loop, and if the loading continues to grow, if the number in the range of 100 continues to increase, we need to increase the hashes too. So I'm going to give it the name num here, and the initial print and the total length of the codes need to be 100. You cannot increase it. So the initial print needs to come down. It should become less over the time. So I'm gonna just the negative sign here, and it's gonna be the same number, and the less the number is this. So the initial number needs to this 100 will, when this gets printed, number gets printed. So when there is a one hash, the minus sign need to be 99. So we are subtracting num from the 100, so we get one hashes and 99 dots. So another, so when num gets 2, so then we have two hashes, and the num will be, the dots will be 98. And also for better user experience, we need to import a library. So go my coding mistakes. So we're gonna use time here, and we will also use a sleep function here. So time dot sleep is, we're gonna put 0.2 seconds of sleep here. So that's it, with just 5 lines of code, and let's run it. Oh, we made a mistake here. See here, um, the lines are sequentially printed. It's not getting replaced. So we are going to close the code and come here, end the line with a replace command. So we are going to replace it. Now save the code and run again. There we go. See, it's okay. I'm going to clear the screen here and run it again. There we have our loading function. So you can adjust the time here uh, to have just as sustainable, or how the loop is iterating. So that is it for today. And yeah, oh, we have a problem. There is loading is 99%. So we're gonna give it here is 101 for this. Yes, I think, because then it will range from 0 to 101. Otherwise it will not run. So run it again. It will not run up to 99%. Let's just make it so beautiful, the aestheticness. So run it again. Loading is, there is an you can do a check for 0 and can continue up to 100. So here is, I think, 101 digits are being printed, but you get the idea of loading function. You can create your own. So that is it for today. And if you like this video, I know my English is bad, but if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel.